other games, many other games like swimming, badminton, basketball, table tennis, and other games. We've made it a family day out to include other people that may not want to participate in football but want to participate in other games. I call upon all of you to come and support, witness something that is first of its kind, and also play, engage in the games. We call upon you to be there at Kampala Quality. See him around. You will see him around, and other members of the society. We call upon lawyers, non-lawyers to come and witness something that is that has not been in the fraternity. For inclusivity purposes, we also have female lawyers participating in the Lawyers League. Every team, it is a must to have a female lawyer as the 9th player, and for the President's Cup, you can bring a team. A region can bring a team full of female lawyers. It is okay. Lastly, I wish to thank the sports community in the fraternity. It is not an easy goal. It has been a task to have this happen, but with the support of the members of the society, the president, Mr. Isaac Semakande, we are going to witness something in the society. Then